Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Ep3. In today's video, I'm going to continue the Techno from start to finish series, and this is series 2. And in this episode, I'm going to work on the breakdown and possibly on the main drop. So let's try to find some nice pads and some nice atmospheric stuff to put it on the breakdown, and then try to make the build up and possibly find some high energetic synth for the drop. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt. It helps a lot this channel to grow, and you can also become a premium member and you will have access to the full tutorials with a lot of content. We have close to 500 videos just on music production, and there are also project files and exclusive sample packs that you can download and speed up your learning in music production. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump to the tutorial. So this is what we have so far. As you can see, we have here the intro, the main or the pre-drop, and then at this point here I want to find something for the breakdown. This is basically what we have. Okay, so I want to find some type of pad or something like that to put it here. So first let me see which is the root note. So it's A sharp. So let's go ahead and find some pads. Let's try this one here. I like this mysterious type of pad. This not so much. Let me see, where can I put it? Let's go even higher, maybe C sharp. Okay, let's try to find something else to add here. All right, so let's try to find some kind of okay, I'm not sure if I'm into doing something for the drop or for the breakdown. Let's see here the drop, if I have any other luck. Let's go and find hybrid. Let's see if we have any kind of harp that might sound like here, nice here. Alright, so now let's go to bank B. And let's see what I can do here. Let's see what is going on with the panning. How can I change this panning? I kind of like this, but I don't like the panning stuff. Where can I change the panning? Let me think. Oh, here. so what I'm going to do is put this a little bit more to the center. We still have the movement. Let's bring this to channel 17. And maybe not all the time. Let's see, like that. What's going on? Okay. Maybe just C sharp. I think this transition sounds nice. Let's see. Let's bring this down. Maybe up. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have. Let's add a little bit of distortion. Let's go with the graph. I want the trash to be after the convolve. Yeah. Okay, so maybe actually we can have this one here. So it will be going up. This synth. This will be going up in volume. And then we have everything. And this will be going up. And actually we can make this unique. And let's bring one octave higher. Okay, so then with automation this will sound much better. And let's bring this one here. And now we can start working on this part here. And what we can do, we have the claps. Let's see if the claps... let's make this a little bit bigger. And let's create just the claps. Probably these claps will not be enough in terms of energy. Yeah, probably not. Yeah, no, we have to do something like that. And we can actually bring the snare here. Let's see if it sounds nice with the drop. Not sure if I need something else here. Probably I need something to help with this white noise. Something longer, and maybe this doesn't make sense here. Maybe it does. Okay, I like this transition. Now it's just a matter of levels. Let's try a different time always the same thing. Something like that, just to create some variation. Oops, don't like that one. Actually, I like this. Let's try, instead of having this here, we can have the continuation here. Okay, let's bring this here and maybe this one, and let's just have it like that. And at this point we can even start merging the two. And actually, let's keep this, I like that. Let me actually see with this. So I think this is it, guys. If you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you'll have access to the full tutorials where you can see pretty much everything that I do with me talking and saying what I think and what I'm liking and what I'm not. And also you'll be able to download project files and exclusive sample packs. So I think this track, it's in a good way. It's in a good way to become a nice track. I think it still needs some tweaking. There are some parts that still need to be different, I think. I feel it. It's especially before the drop or before the breakdown. And also I need to level things up. Right now I just wanted to do some creative process and just put whatever I found interesting in the track without thinking too much about mixing. I was trying to be as much as creative as possible. And I think then after with the volume, putting the right volume and doing some mixing, I think we will get a much better result. But right now, I think I like it. It's in a good spot, and I hope you learned something. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.